In addition to posting resource materials and collecting assignments on the classwork page, teachers can also create quizzes. Click the Classwork tab to get started. Choose the Create button and select Quiz Assignment. When you elect to add a quiz assignment, Classroom creates a blank quiz using a Google form that you can edit and add questions to. If you already have a quiz created in Google Forms that you want to use, click the X here, and then use the Drive icon to browse to your selected quiz. Title your quiz, add a category, points, due dates, and a topic if applicable. Toggle on locked mode to prevent students from opening additional tabs or tools during your assessment. Locked mode only works on Chromebooks, so do not enable this feature if your students will be testing on laptops or desktops. Grade importing can also be toggled on or off. It limits each response to 1 per user, collects email addresses, and restricts responses to users in your domain. To use and edit the blank quiz or any quiz you attach, simply click on its title to open it in a new tab. From here, you can add or edit questions, and then click Answer key to select the correct answer, and even add an optional answer feedback. Choose the Settings button and then the Quizzes tab to adjust some additional settings. I do not want students to see their scores immediately, so I will select this option to release scores later after my manual review. And I will also adjust what students will see once I do release their grades. Save your changes. Once you're done adding or editing questions, just close the Quiz tab. You can add the quiz to multiple classes using the For drop-down menu, and you can even assign it to specific students if you want. Like any assignment in Classroom, you can click Assign to post the quiz right away, or use the drop-down menu to save it as a draft, or you can schedule the quiz to auto-release at a specific time. Let's view this quiz from a student's view. Now, locked mode disables all native screen recording and capturing, so I'm going to use Google Cast to transmit a Chromebook screen to my computer for recording. Students select the title of the quiz assignment to get started, and when quizzes are in locked mode, students get a message about being unable to open tabs or other applications during the quiz, and that all existing open tabs will reload after the quiz is submitted. And sure enough, when I click Start Quiz, my tabs disappear and all extensions and screen recording is disabled. If I try to close this quiz without submitting it, I will get a warning message about my teacher being notified if I try to reopen the quiz. And that email looks just like this. After the student completes the quiz and submits it, a confirmation message is received, but not the score, because I elected to manually release those. If the student tries to access the quiz again, they are reminded that only 1 attempt is allowed. If I switch back to Teacher View and click on the quiz title, I can see that the student has submitted the quiz. And I can click View Responses if there are questions I wish to view and score manually, such as a short answer question. But my assessment is fully auto-scored, so I can simply choose Import Grades to pull in the existing scores into my gradebook. And when I'm ready, I can click Return to release scores to individual students or the entire class. If I click on the title of my class and then visit the Grades tab, I can see that the quiz score has flowed into my gradebook. And I can override or adjust any scores I choose to if students submitted work offline. And I can always re-import scores again to capture scores from students who are absent and took the quiz later. The quiz assignment feature allows you to leverage the power of Google Forms within your classroom environment.